Today, we're diving into the hobby of Warhammer 40K and how to avoid hobby burnout. Let's jump right into the big pain point in this hobby, and that's the price. Going in without a plan could very well leave you bankrupt with a giant pile of shame that you don't even like. It's one thing to have the pile of gray plastic staring at you day and night, waiting to get painted, or even assembled if you just happen to be a sprue collector. But it's a whole other level of regret when you have that pile and you don't even like the models in it. Maybe you saw someone else's army and thought it looked amazing and went all in. You bought the full 2,000 point army, built maybe one or two models, then realized this army is trash for you. And you can't stand building it anymore. Next thing, that pile of shame just hit the eBay black market. And now you got a dozen of people trying to haggle you down on that once expensive investment you made. At that point, you're just ready to be done with this hobby. And when starting Warhammer 40K, do not let the FOMO take over. Fight the urge to buy the box with all your might, because starting out, that one model does not make or break the game for you. You do not need to spend days looking at the meta, watching what's winning. And by that, nah, just kidding. That will burn you out too. Instead, ask yourself a few questions. Do I like Law and Order? Maybe you're more of a chaos player. Or maybe you like them weird aliens. Those are three very different paths. Next question. Do you want an army that covers the whole table and requires you to hire two people just to help you move once you roll your dice? Or do you like a more elite force with fewer models? Those two questions help a lot, because picking the wrong one will cause burnout fast. Because forcing yourself to do that part when you don't really enjoy it will burn you out faster than a hooker running a Saturday night. Wait, but we ain't done yet, because we got a few more questions to help. Some of them go right along with the others. Do you prefer playing the game more? Or do you prefer the hobby side more? The painting, the building, and assembling of the models. Because forcing yourself to do that part you really don't enjoy will burn you out faster than a hooker running a Saturday night special. Next, since we are talking about building the army, do you prefer bigger models with less tiny parts to glue on? Because some of those parts are so small and detailed that one little piece could take most of the night just trying to line it up right. Does the lore matter to you? Some players go all in, need all the books, and they want their army to be completely accurate. Or are you someone that prefers pink orcs because why not? They look awesome. Because one thing to remember with the hobby is it is a very active hobby. You got building, painting, list building, traveling to places to play games. And that's why looking at Warhammer 40K as just a hobby isn't necessarily correct. There are a lot of hobbies wrapped inside this one hobby. We haven't even talked about the table building and terrain setup. What about the rules changing and the rebuilding your army once the update slaps you in the face like a Tyranid lash whip? So don't rush into this. Pace yourself. Because you hear people talking about hobby burnout, and you're over there thinking to yourself, that won't happen to me. I love this hobby. Then, next thing, a few months later, you don't even have the energy to pick up a paintbrush anymore. Take things slow and enjoy the hobby. There's no reason to rush and burn out, because after a few of those models will end up at the local game store or on eBay for a steal. The next thing, you're watching another one of my videos about this awesome job lot I just purchased off eBay for a heck of a deal. The best advice I can give is take things slow. Treat the hobby like the love of your life. You didn't just rush in and tie the knot. No, you took things slow. Got to know them. And that's what you need to do with this hobby. Take time to pick your army. And once you're ready to take the next step, figure out some painting techniques. We're not talking golden demon paint jobs over here. We're talking just get those models battle ready for the game. Take some breaks in the meantime and know your limits. It's your hobby. Don't feel pressure to get a 2K army done in a day, because that ain't no fun for anybody. If you start feeling burnout, try a different part of the hobby. Try making terrain or read up on some rules. I know that don't sound fun, but if you keep doing the same thing over and over in the hobby, that will burn you out. Something fierce. So mix it up. Try different parts of the hobby. Sometimes burnout ain't even about the army you picked either. Sometimes it's just information overload. Because when you first got into Warhammer 40K, it feels like every 5 minutes there's something else you gotta learn. You gotta learn your army rules, detachments, data sheets, stratagems, point changes, balance updates. What units are good? What units got nerfed? What paints people say you need? What brushes you should buy? What tools you should have? The next thing, you went from just wanting to build a cool little army to feeling like you just signed up for a second job. They don't even pay you. That right there will drain the fun out of this hobby real fast. And another thing that can burn you out quick is comparing yourself to everybody else in the hobby. You see some dude online with a fully painted army, custom terrain display board, airbrush tanks, every edge highlighted so clean it looks like a machine did it. And now you're over here looking at your one half painted squad thinking, man, maybe I ain't built for this. Nah, don't do that to yourself. That guy's been in this hobby for 10 years. You can't compare day 10 to someone else's 10 year and think that's fair. That is why small wins matter a lot in this hobby. Build one squad, paint one squad, play one game, learn one rule at a time. That stuff adds up way faster than people think. You do not need to conquer all the Warhammer in one weekend. Just keep moving forward a little by little, and before long, you got an army. You know the rules better, and most important, you still actually enjoy this wonderful hobby. If this helped, hit subscribe and leave a comment about the best hobby burnout advice you have. And remember, if you do get burned out, your old army might be the next one I snag off eBay. Till next time, roll those dice hot and keep the hobby love.